Throughout my life, I've had a steady relationship with fitness. And it developed from a very young age because watching family members, the people I love in my life, struggle with health. Whether that means being heavy, whether that means issues with their mobility, issues with moving in general. Pretty much half of the nation, statistically, 42% is obese. There's a dire need for more awareness, and it hurts me to see people struggling so much with their weight, and even if they do lose the weight, just being like an accordion. They lose the weight, they gain it right back again. But maybe you saw the other day, Christine, who I've known for 10 years, which is basically my whole career as a NASM personal trainer. She did something incredibly special and rare that the general population doesn't have any idea how challenging it is. And she lost 140 pounds and has been able to maintain her habits of exercising and eating right. And she went from upwards of 300 pounds and she is now at 140. I can't emphasize enough how impressive that is. So much so that I had to look it up, and I realized and found out that research has shown that 1% of people are able to lose weight who are obese and keep it off long term. So that's why I'm launching this program. I want to increase that percentage because 42% is too high. And the amount of people suffering who feel stuck, who feel helpless in their own skin, it's not right. And that's what I want to do. I'm launching this program today because of that. I need to build a community of like-minded individuals who are ready to make those changes to their lives, who are ready to increase that 1%. So that's the purpose of this post. Is there's not that much time left to apply for my 10 slots, probably less than 10 now at the time of recording this. But I want you to know that this goes beyond just a business for me. This is about making big changes that impact a lot of people. If you're a parent looking to develop permanent life changes into your life, then this is the program for you. It's my launch 6-week Lose Your Parent Bod and Gain Strength and Energy Indefinitely challenge. And just as the name suggests, it's all about maintaining a lifetime of fitness by developing these lifelong habits that will make exercising and eating right more of a beneficial and permanent part of your life. I'm looking for 10 busy parents who think they're too busy to take on anything else. And I am testing out this new program. It's my launch. It's my business that I've been planning on this whole year. And this program is specifically designed to help parents with busy lifestyles find time to exercise, eat right, build strength, boost energy long-term, indefinitely. It made me really, really sick to my stomach to hear that 42% of the entire national population is obese. And out of those 42%, there's only 1% of that 42 that is able to lose the weight and maintain it long term. To me, that's unacceptable. That's why I'm launching this program. That's why I'm launching my app, and I'm looking for 10 founding members to help me spread the word and start what I call the MevolvE movement. So if you're interested, links are all down below, and if you're interested, I will send you more information. I will talk to you very soon.